The lower back lumbar spine blockage. The pain pesters almost everybody. We're going to show you a fascia roll massage and 2 exercises, and you can handle the problem and get the pain under control. Let's have a look at what causes the problem. The lumbar section of the spine is the part that really causes a lot of suffering, and many people tell me, it's like wearing a belt around my hips, stiff like leather. I feel like I'm breaking off here. Well, they are fully blocked, as a matter of fact. Every time they bend forward, with every move they make, they feel like they're breaking off. These forces are so powerful. Where do these forces come from? Well, the professionals among you know already. We sit too much, everything in the front shortens, and your trunk is pulled forward, and so you tense up in the back. In the lumbar section of the spine, it's mostly the flexors. They bulge up, and it's a nightmare for the massage therapist. Their fingers are not strong enough. They have to use their elbows because it's so hard there, like leather. And we're going to loosen this up. And Jutta is going to show you. Jutta, take the Medi roller, please. Please, take a roller that has a groove like this. If you don't have one, not yet, take a rolling pin, wrap something around it at the top and bottom, and leave the middle open. Here, the individual vertebrae fit in here, avoiding any kind of collisions. Sit on it, whatever it is you're using. Start at the top of the mat, because you need the space. And now, sit on it, whatever it is, with your tailbone. Put your hands at your side. Pull up your knees like this so you have more control, and then slowly roll forward. Slowly, so that this pulp-like mass between the cells of the fascia fibers is well massaged to create space to nourish the cells and transport off waste. All this is just a side effect of our exercise, with the result that everything back there is starting to relax and loosen up. Jutta has moved downward, adapted the angle, and for demonstration's sake, we move a tad faster. And then maybe rest on your elbows to lower the angle and really squeeze the back flexor. Don't roll back and forth. I mean, if you sweep a room, you'll want to sweep left and right, leaving the dirt by the side. That's no help. We want to get the dirt out of the room, always in one direction and slowly. That is our special fascia roller massage. Go all the way back to the thoracic spine, maybe even a little bit more. The fascia reach a long way up the spine, so that should do it. If you want, you could repeat this and take all the time you need. Put the roller away. Now, let's start with the first exercise. Let's start with the front. On all fours, please. When you put your hands down on the mat, point them outwards at a 45-degree angle. And then you move your blocked lumbar spine downwards as far as you can. Please stop here. Now, you might feel, it's too blocked here, I can't go on. Then, give the blockage some time to slowly dissolve. The more often you do that, the further down you can go. Jutta, go as far as you can. You are very limber. But please don't follow what we do here religiously. Just go as far as you can go. And very important, allow your groin to go down here. This is one of the most important exercises for lower back pain, lumbar blockages, slipped discs, protruded discs, and has the greatest effect in such cases. Take the position where you can feel the stretch best. Feel it here in your lower back where it hurts. Don't get scared off. Make sure to bring your groin down as much as possible. Not your stomach, but your groin. Let it hang there. And now, on top of that, we're going to add our special stretch. Move your right knee out a bit, Jutta. And now, you'll notice that your hips are rotating slightly leftward, and the stretch is getting more intense in the left wing of the pelvis. Hold this for a minute. First 2 minutes of letting your groin hang, and then 1 minute of this, and now the same on the other side. Pull your knee out, right? Now, you can clearly see how the hip is down a bit here. Just take your time. Please share this video. A lot of people suffer here in the lower back, and the more people learn about this, the better. Help us to spread the good news of how you can handle these problems so easily. Go down a bit more. Breathe in. If it's too hard on your shoulders because you're not fit enough yet, then back up, pause, go in again. Within 6 days, you won't have any problems holding this position. And then slowly leave this position. Now back on all fours. Now let's do some mobilizing massage. It's not part of the exercise, but feels great after. Arch your back like a cat, and then drop your back like this. Great. Drop more. And up again. Up and up. Well, try a little harder here. And then down again, and relax. Now, sit down, facing the wall. Now we've freed up everything in the front. Sit with your legs out. After loosening everything up in the front, we're going to tend to the back now. Take care of all that tension coming from the counteracting muscles that prevent us from tilting forward when we walk. Your knees apart, hold both of your feet, and move forward. Now, Jutta can go far. You go as far as you can to the point where you touch your toes, and then stop. Breathe in a little bit, 2 minutes, and increase your effort so that this entire area here is pulled apart. Exactly here where this leather belt sits and which is getting pulled apart now, the fascia are elongated, they relax and start to flow, as the fascia experts call it, and the muscles that used to be tense now slowly relax because the body notices, oh, there's more space, and then your body reacts. Take your time, 2 minutes, work on this area, and after 2 minutes, you get up again, upright, and now we start to rotate and use our legs for this. Hold your right knee with your left hand, and raise your right arm and rotate it as far as you can to the right. Use the floor to go even further. Try and touch it, and crawl back with your hands, inch by inch. Lean into this rotation. Hold for 1 minute on the right side, and then back, and 1 minute on the left side. Position your leg in the way that helps you push your shoulder forward. And here, use the floor. Or maybe there's a couch that you can grab onto. And then again, lean into the opposite direction, and then slowly back. Always 2 minutes. We said knee out for 1 minute, another minute for the other side, then 2 minutes going forward, 1 minute to the right, 1 minute to the left, and then your back is really freed up. Repeat it every day, and please do not stop with this exercise. Send this video around because this exercise is so good for your lower back. It frees you of all the pain. Anybody who only remotely has any lower back problems should know about this exercise. We would be happy for a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel so you won't miss anything, and see you in our next video.